way. A is for air ambulance, flying to save the day, zooming through the sky to help right away. B is for bomb disposal, yarn, careful and smart, keeping people safe, doing its part.
C is for Coast Guard helicopter over the sea, rescuing sailors bravely and free.
D is for disaster response plane, strong and fast, bringing help when danger is vast.
E is for emergency helicopter, rushing to help with a spinning up blur.
I is for fire fading aircraft, dropping water below, putting out fires, whoosh, splash, go.
G is for guard rescue chopper, searching around, finding lost people safe and sound.
H is for hospital helicopter, landing with care, doctors and helpers are always there.
I is for inspection zone, up in the air,
Checking for danger everywhere.
J is for jet rescue plane, speedy and bright, flying long distances day and night. K is for kit medical helicopter, packed and ready to go, saving lives fast, high and low.
L is for life-saving helicopter, hovering near, helping in emergencies, never fear. M is for medical evac plane, strong and wide, carrying patients safely inside.
U is for night rescue helicopter, light shining bright, saving lives even late at night.
O is for observation plane, flying up high, watching for trouble in the sky.
P is for police helicopter, zooming around,
Keeping our city safe and sound.
Q is for quick response stand, small but so fast, first on the scene, flying past.
R is for rescue helicopter, spinning blades go, up, 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 off we go.
S is for search and rescue plane, looking far and wide, finding people lost outside.
T is for trauma helicopter, racing the clock, helping patients in shock.
U is for urgent care aircraft, ready to fly, helping people reach for the sky.
V is for volunteer rescue chopper, brave and kind, helping others all the time.
W is for water rescue helicopter, over the bay, lifting people up and away.
X is for X-ray medical plane, special and rare, flying doctors with tools and care.
Y is for yellow rescue helicopter, easy to see, a hero in the sky for you and me.
Z is for zone emergency aircraft, ready and strong,